Hello, today I'm going to set up this Christmas ornament storage box. It comes with several pieces, so I figured I'd show y'all what it's like to set it all up. Right here, I'm just getting a feel for all the different pieces. There are a ton of dividers. Now I'm just setting up the main box. I'm putting this board in the bottom for stability. And now I'm going to set up all the individual trays. Here's a close-up of what they look like. And now I'm really going to speed things up as I put the rest of the trays together. This part took a few minutes. It was very monotonous, and I highly recommend listening to some music or your favorite podcast as you put this together. All done. I love the handles on these trays. Each tray fits in snugly, but not too tight where you think it might damage something. It's just the right amount. And there you have it. This Christmas tree ornament storage box holds 128 different ornaments. There are 8 trays, with each tray having 9 spots for Christmas ornaments. As you can see, it was so easy to put together. There weren't any instructions. It just kind of made sense the way it flowed together, and I actually did not have any hiccups in needing to figure something out. It went together really easy. And I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to keep their ornaments from getting damaged every year or having to constantly wrap them up every year in hopes that they don't break between now and then. I also love how there are several trays, so you could take a tray with you as you're hanging ornaments up on the trees, or your kids could help you, or whoever. I think it's really neat. It's all around a great product, and something I think should be like the standard from here on out as far as storing your Christmas ornaments. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.